7 Dimensions of a Great Dad. Episode 2, Occupational. The Provider Dad, Your Work is an Act of Love. Every morning, millions of dads wake up before their families. They drive in traffic. They deal with difficult bosses. They carry stress they never mention. They come home tired. They eat late. They do it again tomorrow. And they never once call it a sacrifice. They just call it being a dad. Part 1. Work is worship when done in love. Society has reduced fatherhood to a paycheck. But a dad who works, not for status, not for ego, but for his family, that work is worship. Every invoice signed, every extra shift taken, every business built from scratch. When it is done out of love, it is one of the most spiritual acts a man can perform. Proverbs 13:22. A good man leaves an inheritance for his children's children. Not just money, a spirit of diligence, a work ethic, a standard. Part 2. The dad who built his own table. Some dads were never given a seat at the table, so they built their own. They started with nothing, no connections, no funding, no blueprint, and they figured it out anyway. What you built is not just a business, it is a testimony. Your children will point to what you created and say, "My dad made a way out of no way." Part 3. Rest is not weakness. Dad, you are allowed to rest. The strongest thing a dad can model is that rest is productive. Your presence at the dinner table matters as much as the food on it. Your laughter on the weekend matters as much as the bills you paid. Balance is not a luxury for dads. It is a necessity. To the dad who has never missed a bill, to the dad who started a business so his children would never start from zero, your work is seen. Your sacrifice is honored. Your love is felt in every provision. This Father's Day, put down the work for one day. Let your family honor you. Happy Father's Day.